So we're at the Xeikon Innovation Center in Chicago, Illinois, and today I'm working on printing some of our Bible samples, which contain 1-point Arial type and have the entire King James Version of the Bible on it. We print these on our Xeikon 9800, and they're printed at a 240 lines per inch screen. Here we can see the paper coming off our jumbo unwinder, through a web cleaner, and then into our engine, but first going through an active aligner and our print medium conditioner. It then gets printed in our Xeikon 9800 duplex engine. We can see the prints coming off the top roller there before being fused, and then coming out the bottom after being fused and going into our Xeikon web finishing module. This applies a water-based print protectant that air dries. Also in there is our cutter, so we're going from our web to our sheeting. And then we're going into our Xeikon variable width stacker. Here we're using just the top output tray because I'm just stacking them by hand, but this also allows us to make nice stacks on a tray as well. And again, all that gray backgrounding you see, if you take a close look at this with a loupe, you'll see that that actually contains 1-point Arial type, and the entire sheet contains the King James Version of the complete Bible.